Okay, so inshallah in this lesson, we're going to be talking about a concept known as التقديم والتأخير. And this is related to the musnad and the musnad ilayh, which we spoke about in the last lesson, which is the bringing forth or the delaying of the musnad or the musnad ilayhi. So I'll give some examples of this, followed by a discussion related to Balagha, and then we will talk about examples from the Quran, inshallah. Now the first sentence, يجتهد زيد. This is a verbal sentence. So you have the verb and the fa'il, the doer. Now something to note about this sentence is that it's actually the default of how a verbal sentence is written. In that you have the verb coming first, followed by the fa'il. That's the usual way it's written. Now in the next sentence, Zaydun yajtahidu. What's happening here is we're bringing the fa'il in front of the verb, which is known as التقديم المسند إليه على المسند. So the bringing forth of the musnad ilayhi in front of the musnad. And this actually, when you do this, this converts to a nominal sentence. So in other words, this is the mubtada and this is the khabar. While in this case, we have the fi'il and the fa'il. Now in the sentences below, we'll start with this one here. It's Zaydun mujtahidun. So Zayd is the mubtada and mujtahidun is the khabar. And this is actually the default of how a nominal sentence should be. In that we have the mubtada first, followed by the khabar. Now in this sentence here, what's happening is we have the musnad coming in front or being brought forth in front of the musnad ilayhi. And the musnad ilayhi is being delayed. So in Arabic, we can change the position of words. And although the general meaning is the same, there will be a subtle difference in the meaning. And inshallah, we'll explain this in a lot more details. So both of these sentences on top can translate as Zayd is working hard, and the bottom two is Zayd is a hard worker. Now, in the top examples, the verb is coming as the musnad, while the two sentences below, we have the ism as the musnad. We can also have, for example, a harf jar and an ism majroor coming as the musnad. So in the first sentence, Zaydun fid dar. And this is actually the default of how the sentence is. We have the mubtada and the jar majroor khabar. So we have the musnad ilayhi and then the musnad. Now we can actually change the positions and have the jar majroor in front. This also changes the meaning slightly, which we'll speak about inshallah. So this is the flexibility of the Arabic language, where we can actually bring different parts of the sentence and change their positions around. So inshallah we'll do an example of this to show the meanings associated with changing the words around in the sentence. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.